In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Mac is slow at starting up. So the most effective way to fix this is head over to your Apple logo in the top left hand side of the screen, and then from here you need to select System Preferences. Then what you need to do is click on Users and Groups, and then just make sure you have your account selected on the left hand side. Click on the padlock icon in the bottom left hand corner, and you may be required to enter the password for your Mac. Click on Unlock. Once you've unlocked the padlock, you can click on Login Items, and from here it's going to list all of the applications that start up when you first load your computer. Now it's important to get rid of as many of these applications as possible, as the more applications you have listed here, the slower your load time is going to be when you first load your Mac. So in order to remove an application, just select it like so, and then you can press the minus icon at the bottom to remove it. So once you've finished inside of here, you can just close out of this window, and then we're going to head back over to the Apple logo, click on About This Mac, and then click on the Storage tab at the top here. So at the top you'll see how much storage you have left on your hard disk. So click on the Manage button for more information. Make sure you have Optimize Storage and Empty Bin automatically both completed like this. And on the left hand side you can see all of the things that are currently using our storage space. So what you need to do here is just analyze all of the things on the left and try to remove as many as possible to give yourself the most amount of storage space possible. So you can see at the moment I currently have a lot of applications that are taking up a lot of space. So what we could do in this instance is to head over to the Finder in the bottom navigation, click on Applications from the left, then just go through the list and uninstall any applications that we don't necessarily need on our Mac computer. So for example, I have Roblox installed on my Mac. If I wanted to get rid of this, you can just drag the application over to the recycle bin like so, and that's going to go ahead and get rid of the application. So just go through the list here and try to remove as many applications as possible to allow yourself maximum storage space and quick load up times. Another thing you can do is click on Downloads from the left hand side here, and it's a good idea to clear your downloads folder completely. So I've only got one file in here at the moment, so I can simply just drag this over to my recycle bin. But if you have a lot of files in your downloads folder, it's probably worth selecting them all and just dragging them over to the recycle bin, and that's another way you can save a lot of space. Once you finish this, you just want to head over to your recycle bin, and then we're going to select Empty in the top right hand side here, and then press Empty Bin. Now the last thing you can do for better load up times is to come back over to the Apple logo in the top left hand side, click on About This Mac, and then select Software Update. Now it's important to keep your Mac fully up to date, as this is going to keep it running at its optimal performance. So if you do have any available updates inside of here, then you can just click Restart Now to go ahead and install those. It's also a good idea to make sure automatically Keep My Mac Up to Date is checked, and that way whenever there is a software update, it's going to go ahead and install those automatically for you. And that's it guys. By following all of these steps, that should have now sped up your load up times on your Mac. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.